Alright guys, I guess the only way to get a new drop is to make a video about us not getting anything new. So welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great weekend. Yeah, it was good to finally see a fresh bin of something new. It was C-Case. But of course, after organizing everything, there really wasn't a lot of cars in there. It literally took 3 full bins down to like 2.5. Not even 2.5. It was like almost one whole bin was empty just by organizing and stacking it. So I did grab a lot of cars, but also left a whole bunch behind. I left so many KDR 30s, Honda Civics, Volkswagen T1 trucks, all those good ones that I know a lot of people are hunting for. Even though I did want to grab a second Civic for a wheel swap, I ended up just leaving it anyway. So this is what we came home with. We also got another chase. Check this out. Muscle Machines 1966 Dodge Charger in the satin black. This thing is gorgeous. Now, some come with the stickers, some don't. But yeah, you have the double M's right there on the side signifying that this is the chase. This will be the second one I've had in the collection. The first one I actually sent away in a package. So this one will also be held on the side in case anyone needs it or wants to trade for one. I have it right here. But yeah, beautiful chase on that. And then from Majorette, check this out. We got it. The Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, number 139. That thing is wicked, man. Love the yellow and red livery on this one. You got the Fuchs style wheels on it, of course. The opening hatch for the motor. Yeah, that thing is nice. Definitely do like this one, man. So you do have a few Porsches because it's out of the Porsche series. The Porsche 911 GT3 Cup in chrome. Definitely want to find that. You have the Porsche Vision Gran Turismo. I've never even seen that. Look at the way the canopy comes up. You have the blue one and the white one. God, that's sweet. And then you got the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. And the last one is the Porsche 935 K3. Definitely got to find those, man. But this one, super sweet looking. So huge shout out to Majorette for releasing a lot of great castings. And then C-Case right here, guys. First one is the Porsche 911 in yellow. I think I have this one, but I wasn't 100% sure. I know I have the orange, red, blue, whatever recolors they came out in. But this is the factory fresh release. You got the 5 slots in black. And of course, you do have the tampos for the Carrera and Porsche on the rear. The lenses are actually attached to the glass, so you're not going to have rear tampos on it. Then you do have the headlight details, which aren't very detailed. They're just silver lenses. But yeah, super clean. Love this one. Then the next one, I think I have this one. I'm pretty sure I got this one from Sean. But Corvette C6 in orange. You do have the new exotic lace wheels on this one. But yeah, I think I do have this one for sure, but wasn't going to pass it up just in case I didn't have it. But yeah, Hot Wheels Roadsters. Then the next one is the recolor of Mad Mike's Drift Attack. Check that out, man. I love that primer look to it. Same livery as the first that was in white. But you got the gray aero discs and the steely setup on this one. But yeah, overall just a super clean casting. This is out of the Hot Wheels Modified series. Yeah, that is nice. And then next up, I did grab a second KDR30 out of the Hot Wheels J Imports. The color of this one is just beautiful. You got that pink pearl metallic or pearlescent pink with the gold 10 spokes. You got the RS Turbo license plate on the rear with the tampos as they always do. And yeah, beautiful livery on that. And then next up, we did find the hover mode DeLorean. This one's been released so many times, but I have to look at what they changed on it. Because anytime they do a re-release, they always add some type of different detail. Maybe the wires over the fenders are a different color or the box. So I will definitely look at my other ones and let you know if there's any difference or not. But yeah, gotta grab the DeLorean. And then I did find an error. It's like the first thing I found when I walked up. This thing doesn't even have the interior windows at all. So first thing I saw was the windows were missing and I had to grab it. You guys know I love errors like that. Because these, you can't fake those errors. You can fake missing wheels, missing tampos, you can do all that, but when it comes to a fully riveted body, you can't take the glass out. So I think these ones hold a little bit more of the error term than most other ones. So got the error and of course the full build on that. Then the recolor of the custom Camaro. Check that out, man. 1968 looking super clean in the red. You got the bold 68, the steelies and the staggered fitment. Yeah, this thing is nice. I don't know which one I like more, the first release or this one. I don't know. You guys let me know which one do you like more, the red recolor or the initial satin release. I don't know. Either way, super clean Camaro. We did grab two of them just in case anyone else I knew needed it. I did grab two of these. I also grabbed two gassers. This thing, man, this looks like the old, was it the Heat Fleet version of it? This pearlescent orange. Look at the highlights of how that color just pops in the light. This thing is nice, man. Very nice setup. I love the livery. You got the collector on the side. I think that is just super cool. But the color alone is just gorgeous. And this thing would look really nice if it was a super. But it's not. It's out of the Hot Wheels reverse rake, which I think is kind of cool. And yeah, look at that. That is nice, man. So I did grab two of these because I just really love these, man. And it's going to fit very well into the gasser collection that I have. Let's see, it's right here because I always just want to showcase the stuff that I have. And here we go. It kind of reminds me, more of the Bad Gasser. I was thinking the Heat Fleet, but the Bad Gasser is what it really reminds me of. But so far, these are the gassers I do have in the collection. Even when it comes to the Big Air Bel Airs, I love these. But I do have a couple other gassers in other cases. I think there's one probably in this one. We're not going to look at it for right now, but I definitely do like these a lot. I don't know. You guys let me know which one of these was your favorite gasser. I'll go ahead and just have it here just so you guys can look. But yeah, so it looks like I'm going to need another jammer so I can have room for those. Last and definitely not least, we did grab the new recolor of the McLaren Solus GT. Look at that. It's got a nice blue metallic, and you do have some like ghosted swirls on it. You can see it in the card art, but it's very hard to see on the car itself unless you're hitting it at the right angle. But you got the nice gray 10 spokes, tinted canopy, and you do have the little red line going down the center. But other than that, not much detail going on this one. Not much detail, but still, it's a really nice recolor of the first. And that is what we grabbed from C-Case. So this is what we got from our latest haul, some C-Case stuff. And like I said before, guys, I'm limiting myself on how many variations I'm getting of certain castings. And I'm just going to leave the rest for everyone else. So that's how it really should be. You should only collect what you like. I mean, but if you like the entire release, you're going to like the entire release. So I got to meet up with Sean. He does have some more castings. I think they're D-case because he did order some cases. And I really, really want to get these cars in the collection. So I got to look at what I have because I'm going to be doing a trade 10 for 10 cars. So I'm going to find 10 good ones and then I'm going to trade him the 10 that he has. So that is all we got for this episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and let me know which one of these was your favorite release out of C-Case, or if you saw me picking through the bin and you were like, oh man, that one was my favorite one for C-Case. Just let me know down in the comments, of course. And that is all I got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.